From Karachi to K2, you have to travel 1500 miles to get mesmerized by the magic that is called Pakistan. This is Ghizer, an enchanted yet unexplored valley in Gilgitbaltistan. The area consists of steep and harsh mountains, beautiful lakes and big glaciers, with blooming colors of pinks, purples, greens and whites. In this story of Ghizer, a Canadian travel enthusiast also joined the show.
I have traveled many places far and wide all over the world, and I spent thousands of dollars doing it. And such similar places exist in abundance right here.
Ghizer is home to strong fortresses, and the history speaks of a grand era bygone. This beautiful greenery was once a battlefield. In Sher Killa, there were some historic scriptures from the 17th century. Story of Maduri Fort is all about vengeance. These are the ruins of what remains after battles, betrayals and murders. This 5 centuries old home in Yasin had a story of its own. The old couple living there was very hospitable and full of stories. Ghizer is famous for food rich in traditional flavors and overloaded with butter and desi ghee. You can never have enough of this food. And then there was this fairy lady who left us spellbound. The customary melody, composition and harmony, perfectly aligned, created a mystic trance. Ghizer ki shaan, Lalek Jaan. Lalek Jaan is the only recipient of Nishane-e-Haider from this region. This unexplored beauty deserves recognition. I urge everyone to come and see this majestic valley of Ghizer.